What if you could make profits by simply copying the top traders without doing any of the hard work? Welcome to GMGN Copy Trading, where smart traders lead and you follow. But does it really work? Let's find out. Hello, I am GekoodHub and welcome to my channel. Having been in crypto space for more than 1,000 days, having a trading volume of more than $7,000 on Binance alone, don't forget, I use multiple crypto exchanges. Having interacted with various DeFi protocols, I have the knowledge and the skill set that can turn you from a complete crypto beginner to an advanced crypto investor. I also value fitness and personal development. If you resonate with this, then this is the channel to be. Subscribe and welcome. Before we dive into copy trading on GMGN, let's make sure that you have everything you need for a smooth experience. First, you'll need GMGN account. We'll be using the GMGN app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Next, a Telegram account is essential because that's how you'll create your GMGN wallet. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it with some Solana, since we'll be mainly interacting with the Solana blockchain. You can buy Solana from your preferred exchange, or you can check out the GekoodHub deals page in the description and start trading with the top exchanges. And finally, you'll need Dexscreener. This is where we'll find the best traders to copy from. Once you have all these in place, you are ready to start your copy trading journey. Let's get into it. You need to get the GMGN app, and I'll put the link in the description. It will be the first link so that you don't confuse those links under the description. So once you've accessed your GMGN, then it will now ask you to connect with your Telegram in order to create your wallet. So it will automatically send you to your Telegram account under the GMGN channel. Then you can see here we already have up to 276,000 monthly users. So it will now give you your wallet address, and then when you go back to your GMGN app, you will now be in a position to see your wallet address. So here under the GMGN, the first thing to do is to make sure that you deposit some Solana into your wallet. So just click here to deposit, then you copy that address that's been created for you under the Telegram GMGN channel. Once you have that one copied, go to your preferred exchange. Also, you can check on our GekoodHub deals page. The top crypto exchanges that you can use will be available on our GekoodHub deals page. One of the best exchanges that I normally use when I want to trade crypto is Binance, or you can as well go with OKX. It's also one of the best exchanges in the crypto industry so far. On Binance, just make sure that you go under the trade portion. Then you have here your token is Sol/USDT. So we are buying Solana using our USDT. Then once you've bought some Solana, you go under the assets, then under spot, you click to withdraw. Then we are withdrawing Solana via the network. We paste the address that's been generated for us by GMGN. So the minimum withdrawal from Binance is 0.1 Sol. So in case that's very high for you, you can use the other exchanges. Want to be the first to know when you drop a new video? Join the GekoodHub email newsletter and get instant updates straight into your inbox. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive a free passive income guide ebook just for signing up. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description. Now it's time to find the
top traders using Dexscreener. So here under Dexscreener, make sure that you are on the Solana network. So we click here to under the Explorer, then you can see all these chains that are being supported here on the Dexscreener. So just make sure that you are clicking on Solana. So once you have that in place, then we now want to go under the trending part. Then under the edge, we can filter this one to give us what we want. So we can see here they're listed based on the recent trending tokens. So you can see this one is 56 minutes ago, then 1 hour, 1 hour, 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours. So the list goes down. So the first one is the most recent trending token. Then you also check on the market cap of the particular token that you want to now take a look into. So this trending part will now help us to see those top traders. Let's choose a token that falls within 1 million to 10 million market cap. So here we have everything is computer number 36. So just click it, and then now we have here details about this token. So what we want to go in order to find those top traders is under the charts and transactions. What to do is now click under the top traders in here. So the first one, you can see this guy bought $1,800 worth of this token and sold for 52.8k, making 50.9k PNL, which is a very huge gain from just $1,800 to make 50k. So we can now take a look into this guy and see how frequently does he trade and what's the win rate that he or she has. So click here under the explore, then it will take you to SolScan. We get information from this wallet. So here is the wallet address. Just click here to copy it. Then here on SolScan, you can also see more details about this wallet. So you can see some of the other tokens that is being buying and selling just within SolScan. But SolScan doesn't give us more details on his win rate and how frequent he trades. So that's why we need now to use the GMGN app. We already have the wallet address copied. Now we go into the GMGN, and then now you paste that wallet address of this trader. So you can see here 7-day PNL 298% and a 62.5% win rate. 1 day he has 1041% PNL, 75% win rate. Then for 30 days he's got 70% PNL, 47% win rate, which is great. Within 30 days, getting 70% up from your capital and a 47% win rate is okay. So you can see some of the activities on this guy. So these are the tokens that he's been buying and selling. Autopen, buys, then they sell. See, this is Sikot or Sekot, Bukele. So once you are okay with him, you can now click here to follow him. So you can create a new group of those guys you want to follow, or you can just use the default to follow him. And also to make it easy for you to get info about this guy, you can see here 30-day transactions. He has 104. Then total PNL is 248.3k, which is 25% up. The 30-day average realized profit is more than $2,000. For me, I believe that this is someone that you'd actually copy from, because his win rate within 30 days, it's okay for me, and also the realized profit. So now you are ready to copy from the top traders that you found from Dexscreener. So just click here, copy trade, and then you can have the lightning mode on or off. Remember that when you put this one on, you will need to increase your priority fee. The fee that you are going to pay in order to execute these trades, it will be increased. if at all you want to save on the gas fees that you're going to be paying, you can have that lightning mode off. So the wallet that we are using is the one that was generated from Telegram. Then you are copying the trade from this address that we've got from Dexscreener. There's three options here to copy. There's max buy amount, there's fixed buy, then there's fixed ratio. So for fixed ratio is based on percentage. You can choose a percentage of how you will be copying from this guy, but the easy way to do it is just use a fixed buy amount. So you can say for this trade that will be copied from the guy that I want to copy from, I want to choose a fixed amount of 0.02 Sol, which is $2.58 based on the current price of Solana. Then once you've now copied that one, there's the sell method. How do you want to sell it? The auto sell will now be executing for you automatically. Then you can also say to not sell. So once that guy you've copied from sells his token, it means that you won't have your tokens sold. You need to come and manually execute the selling part. And the third option is the customized TP and the sell. So for the auto sell, it means that once the person you copied sells his token, your tokens also will be automatically sold. Then the customized TP and the sell now allows you to set your own take profit and stop losses for this trade. You can now go into the charts and now you can set your own selling points based on your profit, or if at all the token that you bought goes or falls below the price from the market, then you can as well sell in order to limit your losses. Then also GMGN allows you to set your TP and the sell in batches, so you can set a percentage of what you want to be selling. So you can see here we have TP 100%, TP 300%. So it means that when the token goes 3x from your buying point, then you will have those TP points being put for you. Then you also have the sell minus 50%. So that's about batches. It means that now you are taking your profit based on some levels, not just taking it at once. And now we have here something about the priority fee that you'll be paying. So we have here 0.006 Sol. Then the slippage, you can put it on auto or you put a percentage of what you want your slippage to be. So you can see here 10%, but you are now seeing the recommended slippage should be greater than or equal to 30% to avoid failure from large fluctuations, because we know that these tokens or these meme coins on the Solana, they fluctuate at a very rapid speed. So having your slippage very low, it means that you won't have those trades executed for you. So the best thing to do is just leave your slippage on auto. You can also have boost mode, which is the anti-mev put on. Anti-mev node slow confirmation, raise the fees. In case you put your anti-mev on, then GMGN will ask you to increase your priority fee, the fee that you are going to be paying. So you can see the fee has already been increased from 0.006 to 0.018 Sol. So once now you are okay with the settings in here in order to copy, then you just click here to confirm your copy trading. And voila, now you are set to start copying these top traders who are really good with trading. So you can see here I have that trade running under the copy trade. So in case this guy now starts buying the tokens on the Solana blockchain, then I'll have my trades being executed as well. So here you can now edit your parameters, or you can as well stop your trading. I showed you how to find the top traders using the Dexscreener. The good part about using GMGN is that it gives you the top traders within the GMGN app. So under here, copy trading, instead of just going to the Dexscreener to find those traders, then you can as well use the GMGN. Go here under copy trade, then under the rank, not copy trade. Copy trade enables you to see the trades that you've copied. So when you click here under the rank, now you'll see these top traders who are being shown here on GMGN app. So in case you've seen a trader that excites you based on the parameters you are seeing on him, then you can as well go ahead to copy him. Just click here to copy, and then you put your parameters here the same way that I've showed you with the other traders. Or you can as well click here on these top traders ranked here on GMGN and see some of the details before going ahead to copy them. So instead of guessing or trying so hard to find these traders, GMGN has made it easy for you to find these traders, top traders in here, so that you can go ahead and copy their trades. So one thing to actually keep an eye on is those guys who trade frequently. You know, when they trade frequently, there are those fees that you're going to be paying. They will eat into your profit. So avoid copying traders who trade frequently. And always remember that when you're doing this copy trading, it's not a guarantee that all the trades that you copy will be wins. You will always have losses. So when you combine the losses that you'll be making from copying a trade and also the fees, you can find yourself losing money by simply copying traders that trade more frequently. Once you are now okay with your trades, you've made some profits, then it's advisable that you withdraw your funds from the GMGN wallet and put it under your own personal wallet. Remember, we are using different wallets here. The GMGN wallet is just for copy trading on GMGN, but always have your own personal Solana wallet. The recommended one is Phantom. So now you've made your profits, you want to get your funds off the GMGN wallet. So just click here under the assets and then click to withdraw. It will automatically take you to Telegram. Then we have here the GMGN sniper bot. So the first thing that you'll need is to set your withdrawal address. On my part, you can see I already have a withdrawal address. Then it also asks me to add a new wallet. So here under the GMGN sniper bot, then we want now to withdraw our Solana. You can click to withdraw all the Solana from your GMGN wallet, or you can withdraw a particular amount. So you can see here there's withdraw X sold. So it means that you are withdrawing a particular amount of Solana from your GMGN wallet into your own Phantom wallet. I already did set up my Phantom wallet here, which is this address. So you can click to withdraw all SOL to that wallet. Now you can see here it's saying insufficient SOL. So because I've not funded that GMGN wallet. Or you can as well go and click to withdraw an X amount. So when you click this one, it will now prompt you to put the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from your GMGN wallet.
I learned crypto by immersing myself into crypto groups, but finding a good one, that's tough. That's why I've created the GekoodHub Success Forum. We are not just talking crypto. We are talking trading, fitness, and leveling up your life. If you are ready to surround yourself with people who will push you to grow, join us. Plus, as a bonus, I'm giving for free my Navigating Markets in Crypto Assets ebook. This is the knowledge I've gained within my time in crypto space, valued at $250, going for only $13.95. But I'm giving for free when you join the GekoodHub Success Forum. The link to join the GekoodHub Success Forum is in the description below. See you on the inside. Once your wallet is set up,